There is no roadmap, vision, or path. Nothing in your job description that could have hinted at the journey ahead. But for the past 24 plus months, you have been working behind the scenes and out of the spotlight to achieve the unthinkable. You have stepped up and stepped into unexpected new roles, allowing Woxsen University to continue its operations smoothly. Our community's true character has been seen during these trying and hard times, and we have emerged victorious. We have all seen the contributions you've made, not for recognition or praise, but because you care about the Woxsen community and you care about each other. You have shown sympathy at all times. Teamwork, long nights fighting through hurdles, shifting schedules, delivering quarantine meals, and assisting your team members at all times. We have lifted each other constantly. We have shown grace and patience as we figure out a way forward together. Because of you, and only because of you, you make Woxsen University what it is, a global university in India. Because of you, working as a team and believing in each other when the world was tearing apart, we are grateful.